Good morning. It is Monday, September 15th. We're about a half hour away from market open. Hope everybody had a great weekend. A lot of economic news coming out today, but the one that really matters, the one that matters the most, right here, Wednesday's rate decision. Based on everything that we see as of right now, I can't come up with a scenario where the Fed doesn't cut a quarter point, at least a quarter point. Some are still clamoring for a half a point. I don't think that one will happen. But a quarter point, I think it will happen, and the markets have already begun to react. Let's take a look. Okay, S&P futures, starting off with a day chart, and you're probably all familiar with this. We were chugging along with a nice uptrend. Then we had a reasonable example of an inverted head and shoulders when we were working out the initial shocks of what was going on with the tariffs. We've had some other tariff scares along the way. I don't think they're done. We'll get a few more tariff scares along the way, but I don't think it'll be enough to stop us from chugging along. Now you can see last Friday we had a gap up reaction to what was going on. Volume wasn't breakout volume, but it was good volume, above average volume, and up we went. Let's go to a smaller, shorter time frame. Okay, I now have up a 1 day, 1 minute chart. Here was that gap that we saw, and here we are continuing to work our way up. So how far might we go up? Well, very difficult question. We're back now to a year-long 1 day chart. You know, it's very difficult to forecast exactly how far, how fast. I do think that we will continue to go up once the Fed makes it official on Wednesday. I think there's an above average chance that we see another gap up, maybe a move somewhere. So you could almost look at this part right here as an ascending triangle. We broke. We've come to about the level that an ascending triangle would be. Not going to get an ascending triangle this time, but I don't think a move of this magnitude from where we're at right now is at all unreasonable. In addition to that, wherever we end up this week, I think that we will be higher at the end of the year. I am still bullish for the rest of the year based on everything that I see right now. There's always unforeseen things that you don't see, but based on all the information we have right now, best judgment, a spike up later again this week, and then with some bumps along the way, continued bullish through the end of the year. Good luck out there.